to my channel. I'm going to be showing you how I groom my eyebrows. I'm going to be showing you how I tweeze them, pluck them, all that good stuff. Kind of like a 2-in-1 video, because I'm going to be showing you how I trim them up and stuff and clean them up. And I'm also going to be showing you pretty much my eyebrow routine. I haven't showed one of these on YouTube in probably over a year, so I figured I would show you guys what I do now to my brows. So I'm going to be showing you first how I clean them up. So like you seen in the first clip, I take some regular old tweezers and I just go in and just start plucking away all those unwanted hairs, all the extra ingrown hairs and stuff that just does not need to be there. I just go in and clean it up to how I like it to be. You can clean yours up however you want, but this is just what I do. I just literally go in and pluck all the hairs that I do not want to be there anymore. This is something that you gotta take your time with if you do decide to go in with tweezers, because you can get carried away really quickly and end up with no eyebrows. Trust me, I used to do that all the time back in the day. But yeah, so just make sure you take your time when you're doing it, because you don't want to be looking crazy and looking a hot mess. So next, I'm going to be taking some black Jamaican castor oil, and I'm going to go in with a razor. The reason I'm using the oil is because you never want to go in with the razor anywhere on your body without some type of lubricant, whether it's water or, you know, some kind of soap or an oil, as you can see that I'm using right now. So I use that because it helps things to glide easier, and it kind of removes the hair a little bit easier and less painful, because you know razors can be kind of painful a little bit. They're kind of sharp, so you don't want to be irritating your skin. As you can see, I'm very sensitive. I have little red spots on my face just from plucking. Don't worry, I didn't cut myself. I'm not, you know, hurting myself. I just have really sensitive skin, so that's why my eyebrows are red right now. You see little red spots. So I just go in, and this is just like to kind of clean them up to make them look really like perfect and sharp. This is getting all the little hairs that I couldn't grab with the tweezers that you won't see with, you know, a regular eye. But when you go in with a razor, you can really see what you missed, because it just makes it so clean cut looking. So now I'm going to go in with the NYX Eyebrow Pencil. This is in the color chocolate, I believe. And I'm going to just start lightly filling in my brows. Now, I've been using this pencil exactly for probably 2 or 3 weeks now, and I really love it compared to the other ones that I have used in the past, simply because the pencil itself is very, very, very thin. So each time you go in, it looks like you're just adding in more hair. As you can see right here, it's not just going in and filling in like with a bunch of color. It's like adding in more depth into your brows, if that makes sense. I just love like when you can use a product and it makes your brows look so natural. So that is why I have been using this as my go-to, because I just love the way my brows come out now when I use this. So now I'm going in with some NYX HD concealer. I'm going to use this to clean up my brows, and I'm taking a flat Wet n Wild brush, and I'm using that to apply it right underneath my brow. So I don't like to use too much of this concealer because a lot of it goes a long way. But as you can see, I just go right underneath and just clean it up, and it's going to help everything to look very fresh. It's going to give you that I just got my eyebrows waxed look, because I don't like getting my brows waxed no more. That mess hurts too much. So this just really helps everything to look very clean cut. And even when if I'm not going to wear makeup, I still do this step if I do my brows and I fill them in or whatever. I'll still go underneath with some concealer just to clean it up and make it look really fresh. And I'm sorry my camera's kind of out of focus. I kept moving around a little bit, so it kind of messed it up. And y'all, this is why I don't do my brows on camera, because y'all see how long this process is. Like, even minus me plucking my brows in the beginning, look how long it's taking for me to do them. This is literally how long it takes. It probably takes longer because I'm trying to go a little bit faster because I'm filming and I don't want my camera to die, or I don't want to run out of too much space. But literally, like, on a regular day, it takes me forever to do my brows, as you can see. Like, let me know if y'all take forever to do your brows too, because I know I cannot be the only one. This is like a really crucial step. Like, you gotta take your time when you're doing your brows, because these are like, they're a big staple on your face. Like, they bring everything together, so you have to take your time and make them stand out and customize them to how you want them to be. And that is why I just refuse to do my brows on camera, because why would I make y'all sit through this just to get, like, why would I make you sit through this before I actually do my makeup? This is just too much. But because of this kind of video, it's perfect for now. But I will never do this on camera ever again in a regular tutorial, because this is just too much. So now I'm going to go in with a dense brush, an eyeshadow brush, and this is the brush that I use when I do my brows. I only use it for my brows. That's why it's like so kind of caked up with concealer, as you can see. But yeah, I use this to blend out that concealer. You want to make sure that you blend your concealer out, girl. Like, you don't want no white lines right under your concealer. You got to blend it good enough to where you can step out the house even without putting on makeup. You got to make it look that, you know, clean, because you don't want a lot of concealer around your eyebrows or you're gonna be looking crazy. A lot of people I've seen have done their brows and they just have so much concealer still left around from not blending properly, and they look crazy. So don't be that girl. Don't be the one that rushes her brows and be out here with a whole bunch of concealer around her brows, because that is just not cute. That's not how you want to look. So take your time and blend out that concealer, girl. And to finish this off, I'm going to be taking some NYX brow gel, and this is in the color of black. It's actually a really, really dark brown. I don't know why the name is called black, but this just makes your eyebrows just pop so much more. It makes them look so much more natural. It makes the hairs stand out so much more. I cannot do my brows without putting on brow gel. I have to. And this is the finished look, y'all. This is how my brows look after I finish doing them. This is all the things that I go through just to do my brows. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, please subscribe to my channel, and I will see y'all on the next one. Bye.